स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अष्टम्यां कक्षायां वयं संसारसागरस्य नायकाः इति पाठं पठन्तः स्मः। तत्पूर्वम् एकां कथां कथयितुम् इच्छामि। एषा अतीव प्रसिद्धा कथा अस्ति। प्रायः भवन्तः सर्वे जानन्ति एव। यद्यपि जानन्ति तस्य सारांशम् एवं न जानन्ति इति मन्ये। एकदा कैलासे पार्वती शिवः च उपविष्टौ आस्ताम्। तयोः द्वौ पुत्रौ आस्ताम्। कौ तौ? गणेशः एवं कार्तिकेयः। गणेशः कार्तिकेयः च शिवपार्वत्योः द्वौ पुत्रौ। एकदा शिवः एवं पार्वती च पुत्रयोः मध्ये एकां स्पर्धाम् आयोजयितुम् इष्टवन्तौ। तदानीं मातापितरौ पुत्रौ आहूय उक्तवन्तौ, युवयोर्मध्ये एका स्पर्धा आयोजिता वर्तते, पश्यामः कः अत्र विजयी भविष्यति इति। तदानीं द्वौ अपि पृष्टवन्तौ, का स्पर्धा इति। युवयोर्मध्ये गणनायकस्य चयनं कर्तुम् इच्छावः। अतः स्पर्धा अस्ति, यः प्रथमं विश्वप्रदक्षिणं कृत्वा आगच्छति सः विजयी भविष्यति इति। तदानीं द्वौ अपि अङ्गीकृतवन्तौ। अङ्गीकृत्य तदानीम् आरम्भः भवति। इदानीं समयस्य आरम्भः जातः, गच्छन्तु इति उक्तवन्तः। कार्तिकेयः स्वस्य वाहनं भवति मयूरः। मयूरस्य उपरि उपविश्य अतिवेगेन प्राचलत्। परन्तु गणेशः तत्रैव अतिष्ठत्। समयः अभवत्। कार्तिकेयः देवलोकं परिवृत्य तदनन्तरं भूलोकं प्रति अगच्छत्। तथापि गणेशः तत्रैव उपविष्टः आसीत्। माता वदति, अरे गणेश, पश्यतु, कार्तिकेयः देवलोकस्य परिभ्रमणं कृतवान्, भवान् अत्रैव अस्ति, भवतः वाहनं मूषकः अस्ति, शीघ्रं गन्तुं न शक्नोति, शीघ्रं प्रस्थानं करोतु इति। तथापि गणेशः न गच्छति। कार्तिकेयः भूलोकस्य परिक्रमणं कृत्वा अनन्तरम् अतल वितल तलातल पातालादि लोकान् परिवृत्य आगच्छन् भवति, दूरे एव पश्यति। तदानीं मातापितरौ वदतः, पश्यतु, कार्तिकेयः आगतवान्, भवान् स्पर्धायाः आरम्भमपि न कृतवान् इति। यदा कार्तिकेयं पश्यति तदानीं गणेशः मातापितरोः पित्रोः त्रिवारं प्रदक्षिणं करोति। वदति, मातापितृभ्यां विना प्रपञ्चः एव नास्ति। दृश्यमानौ देवौ स्तः मातापितरौ। एवं अस्य पाठस्य शीर्षकमस्ति संसारसागरस्य नायकाः इति। वयं नायकाः नाम विशिष्टगुणाः यस्य भवन्ति सः नायकः इति चिन्तयामः। परन्तु यः अत्यधिकं जीवनाय आवश्यकं वस्तु वा ज्ञानं वा ददाति सः नायकः भवति। एवं पश्यामश्चेत् प्रत्येकस्यापि गृहे नायकः अस्ति। Many of you might have not seen Hrithik Roshan, Shroff, as you say, Tiger Shroff are your heroes. But the real heroes of your life are at your home. It is father and the mother, maybe brothers, sisters, they themselves become the heroes for us. So everywhere heroes are there, but we don't look them as heroes. This is what happened with the society. We are not seeing the worth of the work they have carried. This lesson deals about the heroes, real heroes, who are working so hard to get water for the people in the society. as we have really come out with the idea that what is very essential: water, food, पृथिव्यां त्रीणि रत्नानि जलमन्नं सुभाषितम् मूढैः पाषाणखण्डेषु रत्नसंज्ञा विधीयते. Very important: food, water, and the knowledge. Is it? One who provides, you can look him as your hero. अस्तु, पाठस्य आरम्भं कुर्मः. पाठं पठामः.
Yes, sir. संसारसागरस्य नायकः.
संसारसागरस्य नायकाः. अष्टमः पाठः संसारसागरस्य नायकाः एवम् अस्ति. एषः प्रसिद्धतया राजस्थानस्य विषये एषा कथा स्वीकृता अस्ति. राजस्थाने बहवः, तत्र मरुभूमिः अस्ति. मरुभूमौ अपि कूपनिर्माणं कुर्वन्तः आसन्. तेषां विषये अस्ति. अस्माभिः प्रथम अनुच्छेदः पठितः आसीत्. एकवारं पठित्वा तस्य अर्थं बोधयित्वा तदनन्तरम् अग्रे चलामः. के आसन् ते अज्ञातनामानः. Who were they? Who are very much unknown to us. Today they are very much unknown. शतशः सहस्रशः तडागाः सहसैव शून्यात् न प्रकटीभूताः. Hundreds and thousands of wells or lakes, immediately they have not come up in a night. As we say, Rome was not built in a day. So these ponds were not constructed in a day. इमे एव संसारसागराः इति. These wells are called samsarasagaraha in this lesson. एतेषाम् आयोजनस्य नेपथ्ये निर्मापयितॄणाम् एककं निर्मातॄणां च दशकम् आसीत्. Behind the screens of building these wells, there was a one who is funding it, nirmapayitru. That means one who was funding it. And there were 10 number of workers who were building these wells. एतत् एककं दशकञ्च आहत्य शतकं सहस्रं वा रचयति स्म. Each village one well or 10 people to work. If you take hundreds of village, they will become hundreds of wells and thousands of constructors. परं विगतेषु 200 वर्षेषु नूतनपद्धत्या समाजेन यत्किञ्चित् पठितम्. पठितेन तेन समाजेन एककं दशकं सहस्रकञ्च इत्येतानि शून्ये एव परिवर्तितानि. If you see, in last 200 years, the change has come in the last 200 years. I hope my grandmother never had been to any borewell. She was bringing, it was just, I am just 40, that means 40 years back. That means some 80 years back there were no borewells in my village. Of course, in some of the forward places it was there, I think. But if you think 200 years back, there was no borewell. Everybody was depending upon the rivers or the wells. Rivers are not there everywhere, but wells were very common in every village. But in that 200 years, these wells, which were constructed with so much of hard work, that has become zero. That means that's of no use. The wells have become no use for the public. पठितेन तेन समाजेन एककं दशकं सहस्रकञ्च इत्येतानि शून्ये एव परिवर्तितानि. These all wells have become zero now. अस्य नूतन समाजस्य मनसि इयमपि जिज्ञासा नैव उद्भूता. The modern society even did not even think about it. Jignasa, gnatum icha jignasa. They did not even try to know who built these wells. Asmat purvam etavatah tadagan के रचयन्ति स्म. Asmat, from this time to before us, who were constructing these wells. एतादृशानि कार्याणि कर्तुं ज्ञानस्य यो प्रविधिः नूतनः प्रविधिः विकसितः तेन प्रविधिना अपि पूर्वं सम्पादितम् एतत् कार्यं मापयितुं न केनापि प्रयतितम्. So now we have got the new ideas, new ways of getting the water. That is the scientific way. Scientific way we have got. But then also people were getting the water. That means they were also scientific in that time. Now borewells are scientific in the present era, but digging the wells was also part of science in the era when there were wells only. Kenapi na prayatitam. But we don't accept the digging well as a scientific measure. We feel that only borewells are the scientific innovations. Agre pathamah. Adya अद्य ये अज्ञातनामानः वर्तन्ते पुरा ते बहुप्रथिताः आसन्. अशेषे हि देशे तडागाः निर्मीयन्ते स्म. निर्मातारोऽपि अशेषे देशे निवसन्ति स्म. अद्य ये अज्ञातनामानः, today who are all unknown to us, the names which are unknown to us, purate बहु प्रथिताः. Pura, once upon a time. See, pura ityasya vilomapadam adya. Once upon a time, बहु प्रथिताः. Prathitaha nama prasiddhaha. Those names which are unknown to us today, they were the most famous names once upon a time. Asheshe hi deshe. Asheshe nama sampurne deshe. In the complete country, Tadagaha nirmiyante sma. They were constructing the wells and the ponds. Nirmataropi, the constructors, Asheshe deshe nivasanti sma. Sampurne deshe te nivasanti sma. They were there everywhere. Nowadays, if we want to dig the well, we have to get the people from Tamil Nadu. Adityan, is it? So, Tamil Nadu people are very famous for the borewells. But in those days, not like that. In every part of the country, there were the constructors who were known to dig the well. Spashtamasti? Agre chalamah? Atra kinchit etat samyak pashyantu. This will confuse you always. It will come in the avyayas. Adya, shwaha, hyaha. You should not get confused here. Shwaha and hyaha. Always you get confusion. Adya means today. Shwaha, shankara shakaraha. Sha plus va, shwaha. That means tomorrow. Adya mangalavasaraha. Shwaha buddhavasaraha. Hyaha. Hyaha means yesterday. ह्यः सोमवासरः आसीत्. क्षम्यताम्, अद्य बुधवासरः अस्ति. श्वः गुरुवासरः अस्ति. ह्यः मङ्गलवासरः आसीत्. एवम् अद्य श्वः ह्यः. You should be clear about this. एवम् अज्ञातनामानः. न ज्ञातम् अज्ञातम्. अज्ञातम् इत्यस्य विलोमपदं ज्ञातम् इति भवति. भवतां मम उच्चारणं दक्षिणभारतीयम् उच्चारणमस्ति. उत्तरभारते ज्ञात इति वदन्ति खलु. ज्ञात, ज्ञात अज्ञात. वयं ज्ञात अज्ञात इति वदामः. वर्तन्ते वृत्त धातुः. दिस इज द डिफरेंट धातु. as we know, dhatus are of two varieties. Parasmaipadiनः, आत्मनेपदिनः. Patati, patataha, patanti is parasmaipadi. Titaha, anti is coming. Whereas वृत्त धातुः अस्ति आत्मनेपदी धातुः. वर्तते, वर्तेते, वर्तन्ते. This kind of dhatus are there in the textbook, in the exercises. You can see in the I will take a special class for the dhatus. then I will explain you Atmanepadi dhatus. Vartate ekavachanam, vartete dvivachanam, vartante iti bahuvachanam. नामानः इति बहुवचनमस्ति. नाम नामनि नामानि इति. एवं पुरा, पुरा मीन्स once upon a time. पुरा इदानीं, सम्प्रति, अधुना is the opposite word. पुरा once upon a time. बहु प्रथिताः, प्रथिताः नाम प्रसिद्धाः इत्यर्थः. प्रथितः प्रसिद्धः. आसन्, अस् धातुः लङ् लकारः. आसीत्, आस्ताम्, आसन् इति बहुवचनं भवति. अशेषे, न शेषे, अशेषे. अशेषं नाम सम्पूर्णम् इत्यर्थः. सम्पूर्णे देशे राष्ट्रे तडागाः, तटाकाः, सरः, सरित्, सरित् नास्ति, सरोवरः भवति. एवं अग्रे चलामः. अत्र निवसन्ति स्म, पश्यन्तु. नि इति उपसर्गः, वस् इति धातुः. गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः 22 उपसर्गाः पठिताः सन्ति. मन्ये सर्वेपि स्मरन्ति इति. कण्ठपाठं कृतवन्तः. कक्षायाः अनन्तरम् अहं पृच्छामि. स्पष्टमस्ति? एतत् स्पष्टमस्ति? अस्तु. गजधरः इति सुन्दरः शब्दः. तडागनिर्मातॄणां सादरं स्मरणार्थम्. As we say nowadays, earlier what we used to call, one who builds the house, we used to call mestri. Mestri doesn't hear good, no? It doesn't sound good. Architect. Wow, how it sounds. Is it? So architect sounds very well. Is it? So like that, sadharam smaranartham, with respect, if you want to remember the people who construct the well, the word given for them was the Gajadharaha. Gajadharaha is the name in Sanskrit. Architect is called as a Gajadharaha. This is specially used in Rajasthanasya केषुचित् भागेषु शब्दः अयम् अद्यापि प्रचलति. In some parts of the Rajasthan, even today, this name is used. It is in the usage in the Rajasthan. They call them Gajadharaha. Do you think that it is the Sanskrit name? But it is there in Rajasthani language also. In Rajasthani, they will call them Gajadharaha. What is Gaja? Kaha Gajadharaha? Who is Gajadhara? Yaha Gaja Parimanam Dharayati Saha Gajadharaha. Hindi also you will call it Gaj, a Gaj. 1 feet. The measurement of the feet is called Gaja. Gaja, Gajam, Dharati iti Gajadharaha. Gaja Parimanam Dharati iti Gajadharaha. One who measures the Gaja, he is called Gajadharaha. Gangadhar, have you heard the famous name? Gangam Dharayati iti Gangadharaha. Shashidharaha, Shashim Dharayati iti Shashidharaha. Is it? So like that, Gajadharaha. Gaja Parimanam. Parimanam means measurement. The measurement of the Gaja, 1 feet. One who measures, he is called Gajadharaha. Gaja Parimanam eva Mapana Karye Upayujyate. In the measurement, it is used. If you want to dig the well, how many gajas you want? If you see in the wells also, next time when you go to the in your villages, if the wells are there, please go and observe. Just don't see the well, observe them. After the certain measurement, the well will come close. Is it? It is not like this slant. They will put one stone, then they will construct again one. Otherwise, at least one small stone will be there in the wall everywhere. That is the measurement stones will be there in that. That's why it is called Gaja Parimanam eva मापनकार्ये उपयुज्यते. It is used in the measurement. समाजे त्रिहस्तपरिमाणात्मिकीं लौहयष्टिं हस्ते गृहीत्वा चलन्तः गजधराः इदानीं शिल्पिरूपेण नैव समादृताः सन्ति. In the society you can see this picture, it clearly tells त्रिहस्तपरिमाणात्मिकीं, that means three gaja, त्रिहस्तपरिमाणात्मिकीं लौहयष्टिं, iron rod. लौहयष्टि means iron rod. Haste gruhitva chalantaha. These people always walk with this rod, iron rod in their hand. But these people are not respected as shilpi, architects. They are, do you call them architect? We never call them architect. And samadrutaha, sam adhikam adrutaha samadrutaha. They are not respected like architect. Architect will be sitting in the AC room with the computer, 3D dimension projects he will give you. Is it? So you go with the respect. Oh, I am going to meet today architect. But when these people will come, hey aja, baith ja. Is it? That's why in the society it is told. What it is told? Dress is very important. Hmm? वस्त्रेण वस्त्रेण गौरवं प्राप्नोति. You know that famous shloka is there. Just I will stop here. भवतु